Getting Fang ready, day 4 of Leetcode 75 that we are solving. Today's problem is can place flowers. So the problem says that we are given a very long flower bed in which some of the plots are planted and some are not. And what we need to do is we need to plant n new flowers. And the only catch over here is no adjacent flowers should be planted. That is, I should not be have two consecutive ones. So the idea over here is that we will try to see the adjacent elements and accordingly try to plant. So there are some edge cases. For example, if my f dot size is equal to 1, now what to do? So if it is simply 0, I will update it with 1. That's it, right? I will decrement n, that is number that I have to plant, by 1 and see if it is less than equal to 0, because it might be possible that n is initially also 0, so that is why less than equal to 0. Or if f dot size is greater than 1, that means I will have two elements. That means I can compare two elements. In that case, I will specially tackle these two conditions of starting and ending, because that will help me. If I'm in between, I will have to look left and right. But for the start and end, I have to only look one element. That is for start at the right and for end one left. So that is why I'm checking that if consecutive zeros are there, I will update the left one with 1 and reduce end by 1. Again, check if n is less than equal to 0, return true. Similarly, I'll do it for the last element and second last element. If they are 0, then I will update last with 1 and decrease n by 1 and simply see if it is less than equal to 0, return true. Otherwise, what I'll be doing over here is that I will try to iterate from 1 to f dot size minus 1 until n is greater than 0. I will see that if current element is 0, its previous element is 0, and next element is 0. In that case, I will update my middle element, that is the current element, with 1, reduce n by 1, and continue this loop. Finally, I will see if n is less than equal, n is equal to 0 or not. Because if gets equal to 0, I will break out of the loop. That is why I don't have to check for less than sign. So yeah, that was all for this question. Simple implementation. Just we need to check the edge cases, and yeah, that's all. Thank you.